Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Janai Guzman. I hope I didn't butcher your name, please. Some people say Guzman, some people say Guzman, so hopefully I said that right. I'm going to link her below. She is Happy Meal Obsessed on Instagram. I will also link her account below, and I will link her YouTube channel on the icon above. So her giveaway is 2 sets of 2 embellishments, 1 set of 2 unembellished embellishments, and you could get points for posting it on Instagram and doing a VR. And then lastly, 6 points for embellishment box. And she doesn't want any holiday stuff. The prize is $50. And her giveaway ends on March 31st. So you guys still have plenty of time to join. So what I did is I made this envelope, huge envelope. It is a 8.5 by 11, and it's like the rest of the envelopes I've been making, except this one has gussets. And so I put gussets on the sides. That way more stuff can fit inside of this envelope. So it has Velcro on the top and the back is plain. And then I added some stitching, which I need help on right here. So I added gold stitching all the way around the perimeter of this and the window as well. I added these 2 ephemera pieces. Some of the collection that I used is digital and some is the real deal. So I had so much fun with Flourish. Thank you so much to Tree Craft On, who sent me some stuff from the Flourish collection, and I was able to utilize her gift as well as some digitals, and as well as a ephemera that I already had. So thank you so much. So this butterfly is a digital, and I'm so glad that I found that cardstock from Hobby Lobby, and it really did come out nice. But so let's get into it. I did make this tassel right here out of yarn, and then I added this that says made with love, and this one, this wood piece is from Joann's craft store. And so yeah, I just added it there, and I think it looks so cute, you guys. And so let's go ahead and open it. So you will have to be careful when opening this, because this Velcro is super strong and it will rip the paper. So look at you guys. I can't wait to show you this one right here. So first thing first.
This cute little embellishment box, you guys.
This is a miniature embellishment box, which I think is so cute. Okay, so one of my swap partners from Scrap the World's group swap sent me this little tiny embellishment box with a bunch of beads, and I was like,
heck to the no.
I need to make an embellishment box out of this. And then I remember Pretty Little Things, she added a cover to embellishment boxes. She adds a cover to it and decorates the box. And then what came to me right after that, because I was just gonna scrap lift that from Pretty Little Things, and then I remember Paper Treasury made a Matchbox little suitcase, and I was like, okay, so I joined their ideas together, and I made this little suitcase, and all it does is the embellishment box slides out like that. How cute is that? You can find similar boxes like this at the DT, and they're in the hardware section. They have nails in them, but you can swap the nails for your embellishments and make an embellishment box. They're ATC size embellishment boxes, which is only 2.5 by 3.5. Look how small it fits in my hand. It's just so miniature, and I so love it. You guys, I got lazy and I didn't sew on this. I wish I did, because everything just looks so much better when you put some stitching on it. Even if you add faux stitching, I should have did something, but yeah, I love this little sticker right here that came from the gift that Tree gave me. It says summertime. It's like a little tea container. So cute, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So I hope she likes it. I know she meant a regular size embellishment box, but I could not use this. I had to use it because it's so cute. So Janai, if I completely understand if this doesn't include in your point system because it's so tiny, but I had to make this, so let's get into it. So there it is, you guys. It's so cute. Look how cute. Everything looks so cute in here. So I made her some pastel hearts. Look how cute, you guys. And then I added this mix right here I bought from Christina's IG account. I always want to say Christina's D-Stash because that's what it used to be, but I will link her below. I bought this sequence mix from her and I just love it. Look at that sequence mix. I thought it looked really good with all the colors in here. And then I gave her these miniature tiny roses, which I picked up at Joann's. But look at this yellow heart, you guys. This is so Easter right here and springy. I love it. Love, love, love. So that is the little tiny embellishment box with a little tiny case. Look how cute this little case is. I can't get over it, you guys. This is so cute. Super cute. Miniature little. It's just adorable. Janai, hopefully I'm saying your name right, but there's that little tiny box. Okay, let's get into the rest because I just... Yeah.
I fangirled over myself, so.
Sorry, I'm just so... When I make something for the first time, it's like talking, when I'm talking to you guys, it's like talking to a friend. Like you're sharing your experiences with a friend and showing your friend what you did and how it came out. So you guys, please don't think that I am conceited and my stuff is like amazing and I think it's amazing, because it's, I don't think that at all. So I made these pockets as well as if you guys go to my BB Craft video, there's a surprise there, so wink wink, there's a surprise, goes there and I talk about this. So I made this for her, and then this is digital right here. Believe it or not, you guys. Oh, that paper I found is so amazing. So you guys seen this already, so I'm not gonna open that. So that's that right there. So here's my embellishment box, which I know might not make it into the drawing, which is okay. I had to do it though, you guys. So my two embellishments are the ribbon and then these hearts right here, which are unembellishment. They're unembellished, I mean. And then this right here, I still have to put this one in a bag because the leaves are sticking out. I couldn't do it. So so these pockets right here are one of the two sets that she requires of an embellishment. So these are our embellishment pockets. So, and that's what she wanted. She asked, doesn't have to be like a flag or rosettes. It could be, but she also asked for bags, decorated bags. And so these are little pockets, little pocket envelopes. So they have Velcro. And then I made her some hearts, and these are gold, mint, and pink. So they're just little puffy hearts that I made, and she could throw them into a box. She could add them as a layer in something. She could add them to her packaging as decoration. She could add them to her scrapbook, anything. So right here are all digitals, you guys. This is all digital right here. I'm so happy with the paper, you guys. So happy. The Hobby Lobby paper doesn't work for all printers, so I just want to let you guys know that it's a hit or miss because it is really thick paper that sometimes the printer can't feed it through, you know, the printing section. So I also made her these library cards, and so this is my second set of embellished mints, and it's the library cards. And so I just added this as an extra. These are tiny little felt bows, and you guys, felt bows like this look so cute. So cute. It is a BB Craft die that I used, and I will link the BB. I'm so sorry, you guys, my video cut out, but this is it right here. It's all done. I'm gonna link the BB Craft. I'm on my floor here, so I'm gonna link the BB Craft website down below so you guys can check out these this bow die right here. So I'm not sure if I showed you guys this one because it's in a bag, but this is one of the library cards, and let me get a stand here. You're gonna hear my son in the background. He's playing now. He was upstairs, but now he's here. So this is the library card, and then this is a sticker that Tree gave me, Craft On. This is a digital, and this one is a digital. This is a BB Craft die. The paper that I used in the back. Hi. The paper I used for the card is digital as well, and so I wasn't sure, you guys. Look at the stitching on the back. Wasn't sure if I should just add another sheet of paper on the back so you can't see the white and the stitching. Then if I do that, you're gonna see a seam right there, so I'm not sure what to do. Maybe I'll just send her the extra piece if she decides to use it or not. And so this is it right here, you guys. And you guys, that is my whole entry, and hopefully she loves it. And this is, I'm so proud of that little thing. Oh yeah, and did I show you guys this? I wasn't sure, but I created this envelope to send off my entries in this, and it has gussets right here, so a lot of stuff can fit into this. And so this is just a little new creation that I created because I've been making these little, I guess, sewn sheets and sending them off, but not much could fit inside it. So now with gussets, so much more stuff can fit in there, and I can make it thicker and thicker if needed. Janai's challenge, and I will link her below. And yeah, let's join her challenge and show her some support, and I will link all her social medias down below. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and please check out the BB Craft video. You will not be sorry if you do. So wink wink there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.